Okay, Ivy, shall we begin? And who's this?
This is Gemini.
Oh, wonderful. If you could just pop him down on the sofa. Hello, Gemini. Now, I want you to imagine this is your first visit to the Moonstone. All your dead ancestors are swirling in your mind. Your dreams are filled with past, present and future. Well, don't call us, we'll call you. Thank you, Gemini. Okay, who's next?
Gaiger's Kisa.
Oh my goodness, hello, Kisa. Do you think you can put him on the sofa? Thank you. Thanks, Gage. Now, you sit there. Oh, Kisa has camera fright. Never mind. Oh my goodness, Ivy, casting this movie is so hard.
Wait, I have an idea.
What's that? Oh, Ivy, Gizmo can't be in the Warriors movie. He's a dog. Hello. Did you enjoy that? Huge thank yous to the real Ivy Pool, to Gage, to Gemini, to Kisa, and of course to the adorable Gizmo. It's just a bit of fun to give away the announcement, and I'm sure a lot of you have guessed. It looks like there could be a Warriors movie. A company called Alibaba Pictures has bought the rights, which is incredibly exciting. It's still very early stages, so at this point I really have nothing else I can tell you. But I promise as soon as I find out any details, I'll share them with you. And in the meantime, remember...
We are warriors.